Today we are learning how to install no drill rear plate bracket. So if your vehicle comes without this ugly holes in the bumper, if you like it, so here you're gonna have two of these screws. So you unscrew them using the flat screwdriver. So then you need to put these two screws into these big holes. You just need to use a screwdriver. So just put them like slightly at the angle. Put the screwdriver in the slot and just push it in. So it just like pops on the other side all the way in. You do the same for the second. And just gently tighten. So as a result, you have a gap of about 2 millimeters at the top and maybe about 0.5 millimeter from the nut on each side. There's slightly more on the bottom because the surface is curved. So then you're just gonna use the Phillips. You use supplied stainless steel screws that I cut to the length, so they do not protrude beyond the nut, and you basically install all 4 without tightening. So when all the screws are in, you just tighten them. You don't have to apply a lot of force because they have nylon inserts that hold the screw from loosening. Just, you know, common sense, reasonable force. There you go. That's it. Now you know my plate number. So if you see me on the road, you can say hi. If you're from Massachusetts, you see me somewhere. Okay, so there we go.